Good morning, students. Today, what I'm going to explain to you is the conjugation, the ending, and how to use the IR ending verbs. So, let's start with the title is the IR ending verbs. So these are the ending for the IR verb, the regular IR verb, okay? So for yo is O, for tú is es, for él, ella, usted is e, for nosotros is imos, for vosotros is is, and for ellos, ellas is en. So I just wanted to highlight here for you guys. If you can see here, the only one that is ending actually with an IR, with an I here, like here, is the nosotros and vosotros. And the rest of them is exactly the same as the ER ending verb, okay? Cool. So let's go back now and say that this group are the regular IR endings, okay? All right, so in the next video, I'm going to explain you again how to conjugate, which is very similar and is very self-explanatory comparing to other ones that previously we did.